The National Science Advisory Board for Biosecurity is a panel of the United States Department of Health and Human Services. It is tasked with recommending policies on such questions as how to prevent published research in biotechnology from aiding terrorism, without slowing scientific progress. It is composed of ex officio and appointed members. Acting chair is Paul S. Keim, Ph.D. As of May 2009, the ex officio members were Department of Commerce, Jason Boehm, Ph.D., Office of Program Analysis and Evaluation, National Institute of Standards and Technology Division Head, Department of Defense, Tom Hopkins, Ph.D., Assistant to the Secretary of Defense for Nuclear and Chemical and Biological Programs, Department of Energy, David G. Thomason, Ph.D., Chief Scientist, Office of Biological and Environmental Research, Department of Health and Human Services, Anthony S. Forser, M.D., Director, National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, Boris D. Lushniak, M.D., M.Ph., Chief Medical Officer, Office of Counterterrorism Policy and Planning, Food and Drug Administration, Janet K. A. Nicholson, Ph.D., Associate Director for Laboratory Science, National Center for Infectious Diseases, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Mary Mazanek, M.D., J.D., Director, Office of Medicine, Science and Public Health, Office of the Assistant Secretary for Preparedness and Response, Department of Homeland Security, Elizabeth George, Ph.D., Division Head, Chemical and Biological Division, Science and Technology Directorate, Department of the Interior, Sue D. Hazeltine, Ph.D., Associate Director for Biology, U.S. Geological Survey, Department of Justice, Edward U., Supervisory Special Agent, FBI Weapons of Mass Destruction Directorate, Department of State, Robert Mikulak, Ph.D., Bureau of International Security and Non-Proliferation, Office of Chemical and Biological Weapons Threat Reduction, Department of Veterans Affairs, Brenda A. Cucciarini, Ph.D., M.Ph., Special Assistant to the Chief Research and Development Officer, Veterans Health Administration, Environmental Protection Agency, Peter R. Utro, Ph.D., Deputy Director, National Homeland Security Research Center, Executive Office of the President, Diane C. Juliaza, Ph.D., Senior Policy Analyst, Office of Science and Technology Policy, Intelligence Community, Amanda Dion Schultz, Ph.D., Office of the Chief Scientist, National Aeronautics and Space Administration to be determined, National Science Foundation, Joanne Tornow, Ph.D., Division Director, Molecular and Cellular Biosciences, U.S. Department of Agriculture, K.D. Rexroad, Jr., Ph.D., Associate Administrator, Agricultural Research Service.